Yeah, I just made a whole video and it didn't even record. Alright, start this again. I put the clamps on there. Not sure if it's gonna start. I tried to start it. I was trying to do the video, but it's not going to work here. Oh. Start there. Put it right on starting fluid though. This thing really doesn't want to start on starting fluid. Oh gosh, you guys are all messed up here. Let this sit. So far, put a new starter clutch in it. Got it at Napa. Still got that new piece for the back. I put that on. But if you guys want to get this starter clutch, and not there. There we go. Starter clutch 703451. It is Racing Stratton number 394558 or 399671. So what I'm thinking, this will work for 8 horse and one right here is pretty much 5 horse. Craftsman or pretty much Tecumseh. I'll have the pull start off this. Uncle has it. Uncle gave me this. He couldn't get it running, and I cannot get it running. I don't think it has compression, but we'll find out. Just let it sit. Let's try this again. I'm sorry for the view. I swear, you can let it sit after it. Oh, you have no idea how much that hurt, that vice. Because it just fell on my foot. The pain I'm going through right now. Nah, I'm just kidding. But it did fall on my foot and it really did hurt. Let's try that again. It's gonna sound like sounds like it's gonna sound cool. Yeah, it'll turn over once I get gas line hooked up to it. This thing just eats gas. It's old Briggs, but whatever. There you go. If you see any more crap you want me to show you on, if you guys want, I can show you how to clean carb. Or in this type of carb. Or put on this kind of carb. What is this? It's the starter clutch. I'm gonna make a video on how that works. Pretty cool. Yeah. Here you go.